Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Let me start with a question this time. Have you ever rolled out a feature that seemed tiny, maybe a label, a message, a reward, and then watch it change whole vibe of your platform? That's what we are talking about today. How micro interactions in your gamified system can create massive ripple effects in user motivation. We call it the butterfly effect of gamification. Very creative, right? Let's dive in. In gamified systems, the tiniest design choices can have wild consequences. Not because users are irrational, but because we humans are emotional. A single word, a single tone can shift how someone feels about their progress, their role, even their place in the team. I have seen it happen multiple times. Change one mission title from Finish Task 3B to Lead the Launch Step, and suddenly it feels like a promotion, not a chore anymore. The smallest touch, it shapes the entire experience. Let's break it down a little bit more to understand it better. Where do these tiny shifts happen? Frankly, everywhere. In how you name your task, in the sound your platform makes when something is achieved, in the timing of a reminder, even in the color of a badge. These aren't throwaway decisions. They set the tone before your user even clicks anything. And when done right, they prime people for action, for pride, for curiosity. They are invisible, but they guide the whole flow of your gamification platform. At Motivacraft, we treat those little moments like they matter, because they actually do. We A-B test mission names, not just to be clever, but to see which ones actually get people engaged. We monitor what happens when we change a label or tweak a notification flow. Sometimes just switching a few words in a message shifts the completion rate by double digits. And when we build recognition systems, they are not just badges for fun. They are signals designed to land with meaning and emotion. Our approach is simple. Treat every interaction as a part of a bigger story. That's how we turn small actions into lasting momentum in Motivacraft. Here is a moment that stuck with me all these times. We worked with a platform where people had to complete a training video to unlock the next step. Just another checkbox item, right? You are terribly wrong. We added one simple line before the video. You are here because someone saw leadership potential in you. That's it. 12 words. Just 12 words. But completion rates for that step jumped by 22%. Because suddenly it wasn't just a video. It was a part of a personal story. A signal that said, you matter, you are seen. That's what small design choices can do. If you are building a gamified system, don't just focus on the big features. Zoom into the micro stuff, that tooltip, that label, that message tone, that little animation. Ask yourself, what does this say? How does it feel? Does it support the bigger story we are telling? You don't need perfection in this case, but you do need awareness. Because in gamification, every small signal counts. And when they all line up, that's when engagement takes off. If you are ready to build a platform where every detail pushes motivation forward, not sideways, you are in the right place. At Motivacraft, we don't guess, we design with intention. Thanks for watching. If this sparked ideas, hit the like, subscribe, and drop your own micro moment wins in the comments, please. Until next time, keep building with precision.